is here. Yeah, it's me. You would have never expected it, even though you're watching my channel. Oh yeah, guys, I'm sorry for the name of my channel being Andy Vlogs. I tried changing it this morning. I have to change. I can only change it every 90 days, and it's been more than 90 days since I changed it to Andy Vlogs. So I don't know why it's not letting me. But yeah, this is me and Jill's boat. I know I told you guys that I was going to be doing Vehicle Simulator for my next video, but Maggie wouldn't answer my calls, and I wanted to play it with a friend, but Jill plays on phone, so she can't play Vehicle Simulator. So, yeah. I made this boat. It was meant to be, this boat was meant for if you join white teams, so that the wall would be straight in front of us protecting us. But that's not happening because a guest is on white team and he's not going to let us join. It's obvious. Guests are that's stupid. So guys,
no offense to you guests out there.
In my Welcome to Bloxburg video, which hopefully will be up before this video. Yeah, I'm gonna put it out before this video. So if you haven't seen it, I said I was gonna play Vehicle Simulator, but when I was doing that video, the random bundle of games video was uploading. Well, it literally, I'm pretty sure, just uploaded. I don't know. Your video was uploaded. Okay. I'm clicking the link to see if it's a private video, because it might still be private. I might have to set it to public. Nope. Jill should get... Jill, if you have notifications on my channel, then... Oh, it's still being...
I do.
Then it should give you a notification.
Nope, hasn't yet.
Okay, well...
Because with the Samsung 2 on a little area right by the battery and the Wi-Fi and the time, there's like these notifications, and if one of my channels that I have notifications for has uploaded, it'll tell me with a YouTube symbol.
Okay.
We should have added a cannon.
Wait, jump around. Oh, well, my game. Jill, I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit.
Andy.
I jumped down.
Andy.
I saved us!
Andy.
But I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
Jill, I saved you. Go live your life. Yes, Austin?
Is it a school day?
No. Today and
Yes.
tomorrow are not school days.
Did you get your eye
Tomorrow.
popper?
What?
Did you get your eye popper?
Oh, yeah. I got a pig. I got a pig.
Yeah, one girl had...
Our
a
viewers
girl
probably
break
have
her-
no idea what we're talking about. So, guys,
Anyways.
what we're talking about at our school, we have a fundraiser currently going on. Oh, Jill, let's join white team.
Okay.
So that the wall can work correctly. Okay, I made it to white team first. Yes. Okay. It teleported you out of the boat, but that's okay. Okay. I'm gonna load.
On white team.
I'm gonna load slot A. Oh man, since it's already loading a boat, I can't load another boat. Jill, this boat isn't the one with the wall, so I'm gonna, once it's done loading this boat, then I'm gonna have to load the other boat. I'm just deleting. I'm deleting the boat while it's being loaded.
I'm drinking raspberry peace tea.
I haven't had any breakfast. I just realized.
Me either. That's why I'm drinking tea.
I love tea sometimes.
But this is icy tea, and it's flavored like raspberry.
And Jill, you're right. We should have gotten a cannon. So this time I'm gonna put a cannon on. I'm gonna put 3, 4, 5, 8. All 11 of my cannons are gonna go on that boat. Oh yeah, Jill, I have 11 cannons.
Jeez.
I know. I play this game too much. Actually, I haven't played it in a good while. And by a good while, I mean I'm pretty sure I played it yesterday. But that was when I added the wall to the boat. So if we load slot A, yeah. But that's all I did. I added the wall. Okay, Jill, you're going to want to stand... Okay, good. I was going to say you're going to want to stand back, but luckily it didn't spawn on top of you. I thought the boat was going to spawn on top of you.
Do you like my t-shirt idea?
Yep.
I want to be the Sandwich Twins.
I just put a comment on my video. Well, I'm gonna upload the other.
Oh, now it's uploaded.
Yep. Okay. But don't go and watch it. You need to stay in the game.
I lost connection to the server due to timeout.
Wait, what? Due to timeout?
It says lost connection to server due to timeout.
Jill, did you get banned?
No. I think it just means that I was standing around for too long.
Oh, yeah, that happens. If you stand in one place for too long on Roblox, it kicks you out for being idle for too long. Or being AFK for too long. The reason that happens is because you're just sitting there doing nothing, and that means, like, other people can't join. You're keeping other people from joining. That's why it does that. One time... Was that the upload, Jill?
What?
Is that the upload? What was that notification?
It was my mom texting me to let my dogs out.
Oh, okay. Well, Jill, I'm hiding. Jill, I'm hiding in a secret room on the boat. So once the boat fully loads in, I'm gonna be trapped in this secret spot.
Okay, here.
Sorry for the sound in the background, guys. I'm gonna go take care of that real quick. Sorry, guys, my brother is watching.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, well, sorry guys for that sound. My little brother watches videos, and that's, yeah, and it was just a little bit too loud.
Ah. I'm trying to join White.
You're not even in my server.
What? Yes, I am.
Not on my screen?
I see you at the top of the... You know what? I'm playing Adopt Me.
No!
Okay.
This is glitching.
Jill, I think it's just my game because my boat isn't loading. I'm pretty sure I'm lagging. That's probably why. So I'm gonna rejoin the game.
I'm on red.
Okay, well I just rejoined a random server. Sorry guys for this, just it's bugging out and I don't know what's going on.
You know what game I want to play.
But I don't like Adopt Me.
But I do.
But it's
I
boring.
want to adopt you.
No, me and Maggie played that yesterday and it was really boring.
I enjoy it.
Just Maggie forced
Can we
me to
do
play
something
it.
different?
Oh yeah, the video I just uploaded is actually the video where me and Maggie played it. Jill, I forgot that if we join a new server, so Jill, do you want to leave the recording? Or
Yeah.
no? Okay. Goodbye, Jill.
Wait, you're leaving me?
I thought you said you wanted to leave the recording.
No, I thought you meant, like, end the recording.
Oh. Well, yeah. But I want to go play Vehicle Sim. Don't you have a laptop that you play on?
My mom said it's only for work purposes.
But
My dad gave it to me, and one time he asked, "Hey, can't you play Roblox on the laptop?" And I told him Mom said no, and he just was quiet. Because he's like, I just did that for nothing.
well, tell your mom I don't care. I'm gonna do it anyway. Because
Yeah, I
Dad
can't do that.
because Dad got it for me to play Roblox on. Kabooyah. Wrecked, Dad. That's what you should do.
Oh. You know what I am on Roblox? You know what's disappointing on Roblox Bloxburg?
Wait, what?
They took off the teleport to work.
Oh, I know, but you can get more than one job now.
I know.
And also,
What do you think I'm doing? I'm a janitor.
also you
I work at
can't
different places.
you can actually teleport to your job still. You just have to
What?
click. You just have to click find a job and then find the job that you were at, and it keeps your promotions if you go to that job. You can still teleport to your job.
Ooh, there's an update on Fashion Frenzy.
You know we can't. Jill! We can't.
What?
Oh, wait, no, because it doesn't work on phone. Never mind.
What was it?
I was going to party you so that we could play on Fashion Frenzy together. Well, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I need to go take out my recycling. I'll be back with you guys in Vehicle Simulator in just a bit. Goodbye. Make sure to like, comment what you want to see in the next video, and subscribe, and goodbye.